A lot of us are trying to eat and live healthier this year, but the problem is that a lot of the nutrition advice out there is so dang complicated that we can't actually follow through. And in the next 3 minutes, I'm gonna give you some of the most practical and useful nutrition advice that I can give you this year that'll help you live healthier. And I'm gonna do it in under 3 minutes. Ready, set, go. Number one, I want you to start standardizing your first meal of the day and eating it at the same time. Whether you choose to intermittent fast and have that meal at 11, or you have breakfast every day at 8, I want you to have the same meal every single day. So if that ends up being a protein shake with some berries and chia seeds and almond milk and your protein powder, fine. If that ends up being oatmeal, fine. If that ends up being some eggs, fine. But do the same meal every single day, standardize that meal. It's gonna help increase your fat burning, keep your energy levels stable, and it's not gonna drain your willpower from making decisions. Number two, I want you 1 time per day to get a big green salad. Get lots of green veggies once per day. This could look like a salad for lunch, or it can be a big green serving at dinner, but this is absolutely essential because the green fibers in particular are amazing for our digestive tract. They're good for our probiotics, and green veggies have the largest abundance of vitamins, minerals, phytochemicals that our body needs to stay regular. Get that once per day. I recommend it for lunch in particular because no matter where you travel in the world, no matter if you're at work or you're in a different country, you can always get a good salad and you can throw some protein on top and it's gonna keep you full. Number three, I want you to get a water bottle, something like this, 24 to 32 ounces, and drink 3 of these per day. And drink these in between your meals. So many of us know that we don't hydrate properly. It's because we're not having water in front of us all the time. You get a water bottle, you set yourself an actual tangible target, drinking 3 of these, you're gonna finally hit your water target. And when you do hit your water target, what you're gonna find is that you're actually gonna feel more energetic, you're gonna feel less hungry, and you're gonna be less likely to turn to sugary drinks and sodas and stuff like that. As a bonus, you do water first thing in the morning, 20 to 32 ounces, you're gonna find that you no longer have morning headaches, your energy levels are a lot higher, and if you add a little bit of pink Himalayan sea salt or some salt in the morning, gives you some trace minerals. Another good thing that I like is actually brewing some tea in the morning. So I brew some organic green tea. This is a bigger jar for sure, but 2 of these per day with some organic green tea makes you feel amazing. So you can do tea instead of just plain water. That's really good, but make sure you drink your water between meals and first thing in the morning, and you taper it off as you go throughout the day. That's tip number 3. And my final tip for you this year is to make your dinner follow this perfect plate guideline. So this is what a perfect plate looks like. And no matter what your dinner is, it should roughly look something like this. Half of your plate, when you fill it up, should be some kind of veggie you love. Ideally green for all the reasons we listed. A quarter of your plate should be some kind of protein you love. This could be chicken, fish, a high quality organic beef, or if you're vegetarian or vegan, it can be tofu, tempeh, something like that. So half veggies, quarter protein, and a quarter of some kind of healthy carb you love. This could be rice, this could be sweet potatoes, this could be some kind of gluten-free pasta, or if you want to eat lower carb, you can substitute that out for healthy fats, like some avocados, some nuts, some seeds, etc. The key is that this general framework is going to mean your meal is somewhere between 500 to 700 calories, which is going to hit your calorie target. It's going to help your body feel absolutely amazing. So those are our rules this year. Standardize that first meal, set it in stone. 2, get that good green salad 1 time per day. 3, drink those waters throughout those meals 3 times per day. And 4, follow the perfect plate guideline. You do this consistently, even 6 days out of 7, and you have 1 day where you're a little less lax, you're gonna see results this year. I hope this serves you, my friend, and I hope I was under 3 minutes. We'll find out soon.